Okay, on to our gas-powered negative air machines. Our primary unit are the General by Meyer Machine. These are gas-powered machines. There's plenty of videos out there that show these in operation. 20 horse Kohler motors. Like I've explained in many videos, we run one truck year-round. We run a secondary truck about half the year in the summertime, or in the springtime and the fall time, which is the height of air duct cleaning. So we run two trucks in those two applications. When the truck is not in use for air duct cleaning, it is in use for doing some of our other maintenance items with our other part of our business. So like some of the other machines you saw with like the negative air machines, we do have customized pallets for these. This is our primary unit. It's our newer one, and this is the one that runs on the truck about half the year. When it's not in use, we do have it on this pallet strapped on, and it goes right up into the pallet racking, so it's up and out of our way. We do disconnect the bag, as you can see, which it is laundered and placed in this garbage sack behind it. We have run a boat tank, as you can see, with quick connects for each one of these. The newer unit has a little over 500 hours on it. This unit here has about 2,700 hours on it. Really no difference in performance. The old one works just as good as the new one does. I have another extra bag here. The bags we use, I believe, are 4 foot in diameter by 8 foot long and just blows directly out the side, which we found is the most convenient way to use them. We have a T here that we've constructed out of 12-inch PVC that can be used in various ways to actually connect these together. We've had some commercial runs where we had just about all the pipe you saw earlier run out, and we hook these together and really get as much power as we can. It works very well. I have a tarp there. We can run these in the rain. However, if it does get more than a sprinkle, we do tarp the bag just so it doesn't get too wet and reduce the airflow through it, reducing performance. We also do have an insulation removal kit. So this orange or red flange you see here, well, actually we would remove one of the flanges in front here and place that in its place. It's longer because it does not have the safety bars that you'll see hash marked in there. So you want to, for safety, it is a bit longer to try to discourage someone from reaching in there. And then we have a brand new bag of the disposable insulation bags here. I believe there's 12 of them in there. Yeah, 12 of them. So these bags can be connected to this, and once they're full of insulation, you can throw them right in the dumpster. Or if you have a dumpster on site, we can tarp the top of the dumpster, put a pipe on the top of this, and then pipe it right into the dumpster. We work with a lot of fire and water restoration companies, and the insulation removal is a nice add-on, very profitable. Typically, we would use one of the reducers that you saw in the previous hose video and reduce this down to 6-inch and use the black 6-inch hose. If you haven't seen that, revert back to the hose video, which you can still have that. The 6-inch are just a lot easier to work with. If it's a long ways away, I may run our 8 or 12 up into the house and then convert down to the 6 when we get to the attic spot. It just kind of depends on the situation. Do another walkthrough here. When the second one is not in use, we do keep a battery maintainer on it to make sure that the batteries stay in good health. Oil and fluids, so we do a full round of maintenance every 100 hours on these, which includes the air filter, the fuel filter, the oil is changed. And really that's the key, doing good maintenance to make sure these run for a long time.